How to find your blocked account on TikTok app. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to find your blocked account. So first thing, go to your TikTok app. Once you are on your profile, click on those three lines up there or click on your name and go to setting and privacy. Now choose the second option, which is privacy, and scroll down. You're gonna find blocked account the second before the last option. Click on it. And here you're gonna find a list of all the accounts you have blocked since the beginning of your TikTok app. So like you see, I have no blocked account in here, but you're gonna find all your blocked account. So easy and quick. Hope this video was helpful to you. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.